This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notification on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel, because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen. Every single day you see these FUD articles, you see all this negativity towards XRP. You got them trying to tell you that XRP has no value, that XRP and Ripple are separate entities, that Ripple is going to grow and XRP is going back to zero. They're doing everything in their power to manipulate you out of the XRP play. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP. You have to do your own DD, do your own research, and come to your own conclusions. But I will tell you this. Don't just look at what XRP is doing in the United States of America. Look at the demand for XRP all around the globe. Everybody knows by now in Dubai, they're tokenizing real estate on the XRP ledger. Okay, would Dubai be doing that if XRP held no value? I mean, anybody who's paying attention to anything going on globally, Dubai has been at the head of technology in the last 20 years. Okay, all the new innovations, Dubai is there. So if Dubai is tokenizing their real estate on the XRP ledger, obviously Dubai thinks that XRP is the future. And anything that's tokenized on the XRP ledger needs XRP as gas fees. Okay? Needs XRP as gas fees. And here's the other thing. Look at what's happening in Europe. You have the Bank of England and the Bank of International Settlements. What are they doing? They are integrating XRP into their payment system. Why would they be doing that if XRP had no value? If they think that XRP was some fly-by-night meme coin. They are integrating XRP into their payment system because they know in order for their payment system to stay viable, in order for their payment system to be able to function in the future, it is going to need XRP and the XRP ledger. Because once you have all these stable coins, and they are coming. Once you have these central bank digital currencies, and they are coming, how are they going to get them to work together? How are you going to be able to send a stable coin from Japan to a stable coin in Brazil and get that automatic transfer of money? You're gonna need a bridge currency. And what is that bridge currency gonna be? More than likely, it's gonna be XRP. Because in the arena where XRP works, there is no real substitute. I tell you guys that all the time. The closest, in my opinion, is XLM. But XRP has spent the last 5 to 7 years all over the globe building strategic partnerships, building the rails, getting the trust and confidence of banks, governments, institutions, and of course, retail investors. Okay? The Bank of England and the Bank of International Settlements would not be integrating XRP into their payment system if they thought that XRP was some fly-by-night meme coin. The bottom line is this, in my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP. These bad actors keep putting out this negative information, this FUD on XRP, because they don't want to see everyday workers, Americans, and globally, everyday workers in the United States of America and globally, they don't want to see us financially independent. They need people to work in their factories, to serve their McDonald's and to work in the cubicles and all the other nonsense, well, not nonsense jobs, but all the jobs that people would not be doing if they were financially independent. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Would the Bank of England and the Bank of International Settlements be integrating Ripple XRP into their system if they thought XRP wasn't the future of global finance? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.